Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's another Sunday and we have Aerodrome Finance to cover. So I'm thinking of moving these updates on a bi-weekly schedule. So let me know in the comment section below what you would guys like. So first of all, I think we left it on 21st as you can see here. So we are starting from 20th. So before that, the first update we have from Jesse Pollack, and I think he's the best builder. So as you can see here, the smart contracts, active smart contracts weekly on the base have gone crazy. As you can see, as of now they are above 200k, so that is I think pretty big one for base and Aerodrome of course. And they have Aerodrome just made another record with Slipstream. So on July 90th, Slipstream achieved its highest fees and volume to date, collecting over 200k dollar in fees. That is a lot, and handling 298 million in volume, so that's a lot I think. And all of these fees goes to the VE Aero voter, so that's pretty good for Aero holders. So after that we have some LP rewards updates. Again we have some Slipstream update with Uniswap. As you can see here, of course Slipstream is doing better. After that we have some updates on Superfast. So week 3 of the Optimism DeFi festival is live on Aerodrome with rewards up to 8.7k. So these were given out to new Aero lockers. So after that we have swap fees breakdown. As you can see, Slipstream swap fees are now the largest component of Aerodrome's total swap fee. As you can see, Aerodrome and Base are becoming more capital efficient, and the upcoming integration with Melo ALM. So basically Melo ALM is permissionless active liquidity management toolkit by Melo protocol. And if you look at Melo protocol's TVL, it has gone crazy as you can see. So it did actually, the TVL did become live on June 7th as you can see here, and as of now it has over 600 million TVL in just it was on July, so it was in June. So in just 2 months it has over 600 million TVL. And if you look here, base most of it is on Ethereum, followed by Polygon and some on base, but still the Ethereum TVL is dominant on Melo protocol, and they are doing, and the Aerodrome is doing integration with Melodrome ALM. So it is a toolkit management by Melo protocol. So I think that's pretty big for Aerodrome, and the ecosystem will probably benefit a lot. So that's pretty good I think. After that, again we have Slipstream API comparison against Univision 3 as you can see. Okay, so that's pretty good on I think Univision 3, but still Aerodrome is beating it. Again after that we have 24-hour volume comparison with Uniswap. I don't see any points of comparison, but still I think it's good to give exposure to new users, and they may be able to migrate from Uniswap to Aerodrome. That could actually happen because of these posts, but it's still pretty good. So again we have some Mr. Miggles on base. So as of now I think cats are taking over when it comes to the meme, and I think it's time for cats to go up. Unlike dogs have been doing pretty good, but I think the cats may be up to something as of now. And we have new launch on Aerodrome as well, so that's pretty good I think. And in the last epoch they just I think want voting incentive efficiency, they compared it against Curve and Aura. As you can see here, of course Aerodrome is on the top, that is why they compared it. Again we have epoch 47, so I will discuss that in state section in just a second. So again they had something, I think they had Twitter space with base and with mosaic I think, so mosaic, so I'm not sure what that is, but still that's pretty good. It is upcoming, so that's pretty good. Again they had new launch alert Meridian, so that's something that launched on Aerodrome, so that's pretty good. Again we don't have anything. So this is a pretty interesting one. So USDT launch alert. So USDT has launched on Aerodrome and base. So this is I think a massive success for Aerodrome, because USDT is going to be used a lot in the DeFi, and I think that is going to increase Aerodrome's TVL overall slowly. So I think that's pretty big thing coming to the Aerodrome, so that's pretty good. Again, we have new launch Pepe Coin ETH coming to Aerodrome, so that's pretty good for Aerodrome. Again, we have Paragon's DAO launch as well, some updates on Superfast, another comparison. So nothing, so that's all for the update this week and what happened previous week. So we are moving to the states and what happened there. So this epoch will end on 1st August, as you can see here. So as of now, let's just move to the volume and see what is happening there. So this is a volume. So Aerodrome did actually broke its previous record, and it did actually hit its highest volume, as you can see here. Hitting 1.9 billion is a lot, as you can see here. Its previous high was around 1.78. So last week was pretty good for Aerodrome, and this week is also pretty good, as you can see here. As of now, it has already hit 700 million, and it is projected to hit 1.94 million. So that is a lot. So I think that is pretty good for Aerodrome in general. Again, we did not have that many new aero logs, so that's not good. We only had 1 million, despite it hit a new highest volume. The aero log were not that big, so I'm not sure. I don't think that that's good for Aerodrome, but I think we'll most likely see a lot more coming in the future. But as of now, we did not have any, or we did not have that much last week. Anyways, let's move to DeFi and see what is happening. So DeFi overall has been going down, as you can see here. So it seems to be in the downtrend, but we'll see what happens in the coming weeks. So as of now, base is doing pretty good, as you can see here. It is a little bit volatile, but it has been doing, I think it has been holding up, so that's pretty good. And as for Aerodrome, it is doing pretty awesome, as you can see. Uniswap is down 7.6%, whereas Aerodrome is up around 10%. So I think that's overall pretty good news for Aerodrome in general. So let's try to go through Aerodrome's price action and see what is happening. So if you watched my last video, I did say that this was a pretty good zone that Aerodrome could hold, and it did actually hold at the exact same level which I said, as you can see here. And we even saw a pretty good pump, as you can see from here. And I think this pump did came from the news of USDT launch, but still that is a massive pump, as you can see. And as of now, just a second, as of now it is trying to hold this, I think, level, and we'll have to see, we will have to wait and see what happens. But if I do make a new level here, I would actually like to delete this, and I think we could actually see a retest somewhere around here. So this is a pretty good retest zone as well, so this one, and so this is a pretty good retest zone, and again this could actually possibly be a pretty good retest zone as well, and even this one. So we have a pretty good fair value gap. So I think if we do delete this, the last week's fair value gap, I think we could actually see a retest around again 80 cent. Also 80 cent is a possibility, and if we do go down again, I think we could actually see a retest around somewhere 85 cent. It could actually end up at hitting 85 cent and go up again, so that is a big possibility again. So if it does hit this actually 85 cent, I think we do have a pretty good sell zone somewhere around here. So if it does ends up hitting this level and goes up again, I think we will most likely reject around 91, and if it is bullish, we'll most likely end up rejecting around 1.07 cent. Sorry, $1.07. That's a possibility. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But as of now, it seems like the BTC has been a little bit more volatile, so I think alt will most likely suffer as of now, and BTC dominancy has been going up, so I think we'll have to wait and see what happens with alt. But BTC dominancy is near its resistance, so that means alt could actually go up, but we'll have to wait and see if that happens or not. But I think the best entry as of now which I'm looking at is most likely here, but it does seems to be in the fair value gap again here. If you look here, just a second, so this seems to be a fair value gap again, so it can actually use this as a support as well, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. But it seems like that Aero does want to go. If you look, Aero is trying to actually go up again if you look here, so let's just hope that it makes a new high, beating its previous high, which was around $1.06. so I would actually like it to go up at least till 1.26. after that I think we could actually go up again, but I think we do need a retest somewhere around 85 cents, and if we don't see a retest, I would actually like it to hit at least $1.26. Anyways, this was it, this was the update. So let me know if you guys would like bi-weekly or weekly update on Aerodrome. So this was it, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.